Hi, in this video, let us check how to apply a frequency analysis in SPSS software based on the data or the responses that we have received here. As per the last video where we have discussed about descriptive statistics is based only on the mean generation that is taking place, where we can explain that either majority of the respondents have responded to that particular statement or not. But when it comes to frequency analysis, we would get a full-fledged note of which set of responses have been received. So to understand frequency analysis, let us click Analyze, Frequency. We have already given age here, and for the charts I have taken the option for bar charts, which will be shown in the percentage criteria. Click Continue. For the statistics, let us continue with the default section here. Click Continue, click OK. We can see for the age factor, the responses have been recorded. So in this age table, we can see the frequency and percentage, which is important for our analysis. We can see that majority of the responses in this survey belong to the age group of 31 to 40 years, as a percentage is comparatively higher when compared to the other age group here. This is what a table shows. When we come to the age bar graph, this shows a typical diagrammatic representation of our aged responses. This is how frequency analysis is being held for the demographic factors. For the Likert scale factors, as there are many Likert scale statements for one particular item, we can try applying frequency analysis in a different set of manner. So to analyze only the Likert scale factors, for example, let me analyze only the section B statements here. To analyze it, let's click Analyze, Tables, Custom Tables, click OK, and I will be moving only the B section variables to the row columns here. After selecting it, we can give a right click on it, copy, and on the row section, left click on it, then right click, and then paste. And in the category position, we have default, change it into row labels in columns. And for the position, let it remain in columns itself. In the summary statistics, we want to know the percentage of it. Either we can click row number percentage or column number percentage. Right now, to know the percentage of what responses have been recorded, we'll click for the row number percentage. So by clicking it, we need to click this arrow here and we need to click Apply to Section option and click OK. We can see that our responses have been recorded here. We can see which percentage of responses for each of the agreeableness have been recorded here. We can see that equally agreeableness level have been given by the respondents for each of the B section statements. So this is how the row number percentage shows us. We can see 50% of responses under the agreeableness level for all the questions that is being answered by some respondents. So in order to view it in a diagrammatical way, we have to create a bar chart even for the Likert scale responses. For that, we have to select only this section of area, left click, create graph, bar. The graph has been created, but we need to do some sort of editing here. You can try changing the row column section. Click on row, Under the variable section, we have got x cluster. So let's just stick only to x axis and then we apply. Here in column, each of the response levels have been recorded, all the agreeableness. And here in the row section, we can see different sort of statements. So this is basically how a frequency analysis is held in SPSS in order to understand what are the majority of options that is being chosen by our respondents.